Semiconductor chip design is a complex process that requires a lot of time and money. With the help of machine learning, this process can be made more efficient and cost-effective. Machine learning algorithms can automate the design process, reduce errors, and optimize the design for better performance. It will result in lower costs for chip designers and an improved version of the chips. Additionally, machine learning-driven designs can reduce the time to market for new products by allowing designers to iterate quickly on their plans. Machine learning algorithms can drive faster and more efficient designs. It can also help existing chip structures by making them more efficient and reliable. Additionally, ML can reduce design errors, thus saving time and money. With the help of AI, ML, and deep learning, semiconductor designers can create better chips with fewer errors and faster turnaround times. In the long run, the impact of ML on semiconductor design is undeniable. Automation has enabled the development of more efficient and cost-effective products. It helps in identifying potential problems in the design process before they become costly issues. Additionally, machine learning can also optimize existing designs for better performance. Learning-based chip designing tools are also becoming increasingly popular, allowing engineers to design more complex chips than ever. These tools are slowly revolutionizing how engineers design chips. They can now create more efficient designs in a fraction of the time it used to take them. In the long term, the time and cost-consuming chip designing process will become more efficient with the help of machine learning, thus enabling chip architects to focus more on silicon-level innovation.